Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500.
Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include cruise control, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.